Hey guys, it's Barrett with Doing Shit with Schichtel. I guess I should kind of explain that. I've had this YouTube channel, The Gimpy Camper, for 5 or 6 years. I've not really had any growth in it for 4 years. And it was just time to do something a little different. We'll still have camping content, and we'll still do some campground reviews and this and that and the other. But this is going to open us up to doing a lot more content, which I'm hoping will get better audience engagement. So we're going to be taking Hank the Tank out here, and we're going to be doing some just random stuff. I got a little mini excavator, a little Chinese mini excavator. It's a Ripa. I love that thing so far. I've only had it for about a month, and I did a couple of videos on it. It seems to have a lot more interest than my normal content, so I thought I was just going to embrace this thing. Now, after I got that little mini excavator, I was looking for a better trailer because the trailer that I had didn't work real well without some modifications to carry the excavator around. And so I was looking for a trailer. Well, my buddy Steve over at Shelburne RV happened to have this trailer for sale with the tractor there. So I got me this old Yanmar. So I got me old Yanmar, I got me excavator. What kind of trouble can we get in with this? So we're going to be doing some projects with that stuff. I'm going to be doing some probably home renovation type projects. Basically all the stupid projects that I get wrapped up in, and which is quite a bit. I've had some people follow my Facebook that say, you really need to just expand this. And one of my buddies actually gave me this the idea for the name Doing Shit with Schichtel. So that's my last name if it's not obvious. It might be a little bit harder to find, but I'm sure that if you type Gimpy Camper, I'm going to kind of keep those tags in there. So that should be able to pull everything up too. And on Facebook, it didn't meet their community standards, even though it has an exclamation point instead of an I. So it's doing stuff with Schichtel. But I'm going to tag all those down below. And I'm also thinking about, I actually want to ask you guys about this. So right now I'm at a buddy's house. Some property he has up in the mountains, and I came to grade his driveway for him. And really, I'm just using my equipment for some friends that have some property, just to, kind of learn how everything's going here. But I got this idea. And for those of you that don't know, the reason that my other channel is named The Gimpy Camper is I actually do have some partial paralysis in my legs. I had something called cauda equina syndrome whenever I was 28 years old. And so I was completely paralyzed from the waist down until I had decompression surgery. And with that, basically, after that, I had to learn how to walk again. I still have partial paralysis in my legs, but I don't really let that stop me from doing anything. And so with that, and I've always felt this urge to like give back to the community, but I never have time. And basically with this new channel, I think that's going to help me kill a few birds with one stone. And I'm thinking about starting a project called Gimpy Gives Back, which would essentially be me going around with my equipment to help those in need around my community. To, if they need a water line dug, or if they need some brush cleared out, or, their driveway graded. I think that I'm going to do that and kind of incorporate that into some videos. And, it makes me feel good in here. I think it'll bring a lot of good to the people that I try to help there. We're going to try to help like some of the elderly. We're going to try to help, some of the disabled veterans and stuff like that. And, we're going to still help some of my buddies out too, just because, let's face it, it's kind of fun to operate some machinery. And, if this works out as well as I think I am, then I'm going to do like some bigger channels that I follow do, and basically use that revenue to pay for the jobs. And so that way I still kind of make some money while I'm giving back to the community, if that makes any sense at all. So that's what we're here for. That's what we're about. And we also have like some videos on like this Raptor liner paint job we did on Hank the Tank here. I've done a couple of cars on that. There's, like I say, a lot of like campground reviews and that kind of stuff on the channel too. But we're going to have more of a variety. And I think that you guys are going to enjoy it more and want to come back and look more, because a lot of the campground review videos that we do and stuff, it's really only, helpful if you're going to that campground or you're looking in that campground in an area. So this is going to let us branch out and just do some different stuff. And you're going to do some stuff with Schichtel. So thanks for joining the fun here. And be sure to like and subscribe so that you can be doing stuff too. Might call you something like the doing stuff crew. You know, doing shit crew. I don't know. But we're learning this together. So I'm going to get this unloaded. We're going to start working.